A microwave is a small metal room. Inside a magnetron converts electricity to waves. Microwaves, billions of vibrations each second. These waves bounce from wall to wall, passing through the food, making water molecules spin faster and faster. That motion becomes heat, not from fire, not from coils, but from movement itself. Friction at the smallest scale. The turntable rotates to even the chaos. The door's mesh keeps the energy in tiny holes smaller than the waves. When the timer ends, the magnetron stops. The molecules slow and the food, now warm, waits quietly for you.
Now you see how a microwave works.